Let's make necessary preparations for the course. This is the view after logging in. It varies by PC, but you may be able to find this dock, which is a menu for important applications, in which you can find Launchpad. Let's click it. Okay. Then you have many other many applications, but let's click the other, this one. Then you will find a terminal here. So let's click it. Then this shows the terminal. This is a screen for communicating with the computer. Okay. It will be useful if you have this terminal in the dock. Okay. So for example, if you have this terminal in the dock, by clicking it, you can get this terminal screen. But if you don't find it, please do the same thing as we did, okay, to get the this terminal. Now, this terminal is for communicating with the computers through various types of commands. For example, one of those commands is called ls. Let's type ls. Okay. This brings up following. This location is a home, and then this displays what kind of folders or directories in this home location. So you see we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 folders or directories in this home. Okay. So the directory or folder is like a room or space. Okay. You can create this room by commanding the computer. Typing the command like mkdir, you can make a new folder, and then with some appropriate name. So let's make a folder CS, because our course is called computer science. So let's use this name CS for our folder. Okay, and then type ls again. Then you can find that this CS, the new folder, has been made. Okay, and then in order to go into this room called CS, you can again use the command cd, okay, cd blank CS, and then type enter or return. I'm sorry, cd CS, not cdcs, cd, okay, and then return. Then you would go into the room CS. And let's look at the folders in this CS. So as I said before, by putting the command, giving the command ls, you can see the files or folders in this CS. Here we don't have anything because CS doesn't have anything. Okay. In order to go back to the original room, the previous room, you should type cd ... Okay. Then you can go back to the previous home room. Okay. Again, if you type cd cs, you can go to the room CS. Okay. So this is the one typical usage of the terminal command. Next, activate the finder command. In the dock menu, you can find this finder icon. By clicking it, you can activate this command finder. This is application for showing all the files or directories in your computer. Okay, and then in order to use our home directory easily, let's keep icon for home directory. Okay, so first find this icon, and then for this, let's us go first to the computer. Okay, so this menu shows all the files or in your computer, and then you may be able to find this HD, Macintosh HD, which means that hard disk. Okay, let's click it, and then you would find this folders, and then one of them should be users. So let's click it. then you will be able to find your home. This is your home, so let's keep this icon in your folder menu. Okay. Then later, for example, if you again do this, you can click this. You can always find your home directory, which is exactly the same as the directory that we saw before. As you see, we have 9 folders or 9 directories in the home directory, and then exactly the same directory you can find here. Okay. All right. So let's move on to the CS. And here there is nothing. As we checked, there is nothing in this CS. Okay. So let's create some example files here. Okay. So maybe you might have already downloaded project files, example files, and then since we are going to have 5 projects altogether, you may have 5 project sample files in a zip mode. So let's unzip one of them. So please first download those zip files, and then let's click one of them. Then you will have one folder, unzipped one, and then if you move this to here, then CS, in the room CS or folder CS, you will have a new folder, project 1, PROJ1, okay? Let's look at by using a command. By typing ls, you can find PRJ1, okay? And then actually, if you go into PROJ1, see by putting this, typing this command, cd PROJ1, then you can go into this PROJ1. Let's see what sort of files, example files in it. So you have those 6 files in it. Okay. As you see, if you click this, you can also find these 6 files. But in our exercise, we would usually only use this terminal. So let's excuse me. Let's close this. Finally, let's place software for revising and editing these programs in the menu. You have probably downloaded Code Editor and have it already. Use this finder again, this command, and to find downloaded Code Editor. So to do this, we click these applications. Then you will find many applications here, and then you may be able to find Code Editor here. Okay. Then you move this to again to this menu, Dock, and keep it here, so that you will be able to use it later. We will study how to use this Code Editor later. So this concludes the preparations.